Good morning, my beautiful people. Good morning, everybody. Good morning, good morning. Good day, good everything. Hi, Kezban. Hi, Kezban. Good dag. Legacy. Go bra. Yeah, they go finish. Post. Inge plus. Yeah, next week. Next week. Yeah, your bell for you dita. Yeah, two team. Yeah, for work. Yeah. Bara two week. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Tack. Okay. Good morning, everybody. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning, my people. Good morning, sir. Good morning, everybody. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Dash down human rights. The community of human beings. Human thought don't start again. Dash down human rights. Please, my brothers and sisters, share. I want no more than not verse, so that not see my phone. I don't say my head they scratch me. I get allergy for her, so more than not verse, you know. So we gonna discuss this morning, you know. We'll discuss about some people and some of our life. Hear me very well. Radio, make you hear me very well. You my right, now my property. The one touch me, my property. You my right, now my property. Mona, y'all call this video. Mona go give our people where they down. Where they down, now we day after. Not be all this one way they make noise everywhere. Where they here. Where drink peace. People peace. They drink peace. They drink menstruation. Take past Libya. They still come abroad. They say they want to fight for some set of people. They abroad though. For abroad, not be God they do am. You know that stupid mentality, I don't want to use it because if I they tell they say I don't want to use it, don't say it good more now they see my face if I talk. Make them know say na me talker because all this New of Ife idiot people, all this idiot slave master. Mercy. Let me see whether may I clean my face first because the good one are the see me. Make the office say we are joking. We ain't joking, okay? We are not joking. So Ooni of Ife is running up and down, selling estates, making our boys to be useless now. They cannot do anything anymore in their life. Now only land they know how to say. Collecting people's land and selling the land. Making people not to know what they are doing. So it's good like that, babe. Yeah. My brothers and sisters. Me I know understand though. Only of Ife and the brothers. They are just running up and down, selling as people ancestral land, making them to suffer. Is it fair? I don't understand. So our brothers and sisters, those of una wey they say God go do am, God go do am. God not get anything wey they do, you know. It's inside the Bible where they tell you say a man cannot do God cannot do for a man what a man can do for himself. Una not the hearer. So therefore, cut this video, send it to Africa, that part of area where we come from. Send it to them. Let them go out and fight. If they not go out there to fight, they'll still frame you now. They'll still kill you. They will still kill you. Let me show you. They are going to still kill you. They can't dash us human right why I had open. Now did here. And I maybe the wait too. This wait, my internet not good. I send something, not they come. The internet in your stock is in. Okay. So my brothers and sisters, look, they'll still frame you up. No need. They'll frame you up.
What I want to assure Nigerians here is that we are not going to be frivolously supporting or approving loans for the executive arm of government. Whenever we have to approve any loan, we have to insist on the details of what projects will be funded for those by those loans. We have to look at the conditions that
they know they give una loan, but then they collect loan. Una no get sense. Now money now all of us now get. I don't tell where they sing. Now money, now me and you now get money. I want to show now another one. Maybe that one not come away. I want to show now the way they for frame una up. They'll frame una up. Una not get choice now. Na me talker. They'll frame una up, you know. They'll frame una up. Wait. Not be this phone too. Be I want for see them. Where's my iPad? They'll frame una up, you. Have your leg again. See, I want to show you people something. They'll free you up. Oh God, they'll just frame you up. I know they see this thing see so easy. Now they see everything. Oh my God. My internet, what is the apple today? They will frame you up. Oh mama. Hello mama, like you. Victor. Mami oe. Mama, imami oe because ime a picture ni me send you go eba. Oma Joseph ime we de gbe do ru your internet even na we gbe ru e. O me picture pa ni send you go e. Letter, only letter. Oh, Anya, here we me now, Anya. Here we. Oh, here what Anya, Majo, you made all out there. Oh, okay, Anya. Okay, Uma. Okay, tape continue. Okay. Okay. Oma na mi ahia we ya. Ya te we ba won. Ya pa o de to e me pa. Mi a we gbe che we ba ko. My brothers and sisters, sorry for the instruction. It's my sister that called me. So, I get katana. You know, say person get katana, don't say na corona. You get video where I want to show now. They will frame you up anyway. They will kill you. They will also kill you if you fat now. You're not fat. I don't can see the TVs. Now, tell we maybe send the WhatsApp. I don't know. Wait, I want to show you where they will frame you up. They will kill you. I want to show you because I sent it to my WhatsApp. What's this? They'll still kill you. Don't need. Let me share my video first. They will also kill you. Good morning, my people. Mona no verse. My phone not good. You see, my mama called me. I not see him. You see, where is the this thing I sent to? I've been another place I sent I go. Our people that they carry in Imo State, the old women, they frame they up. They say they be human be trafficking. Okay, don't see people now where they keep person where be human baby trafficking. They don't talk to them. Don't leave them, make them just they go carry go. They are not telling you that they will not give you your own money. They will not give you a loan. That before they give you a loan, they will know. Since where they thief the money, who did it? My brothers and sisters, Mona get up, Mona spoil everywhere. These people, they not fear now. Now not do anything. They not. Now they fear pass. And they try to tell now they fear pass. Don't say all these useless lady no see their papa. They suffer. See how they'll come abroad. They'll come they follow you. They argue. When they suffer, our people are suffering. I dey find something where two things where I dey find where I want show now. I never see them. Where they shoot them, they run, they go. Wait, they know say now they fear pass. When Boko Haram they shoot for north, they run, they go. They'll come, they'll see civilian old woman of 68 years. They'll say now baby trafficking. They'll put allegation for her because in a IPOB. I bet more your spoil everywhere, maybe everywhere, everybody day on you and not fit all. I hate our brother because they say, God go do it. Which God? For where the God want for do it? As I did, so may I not go walk? May I sit down for us? Or I not go give, maybe I not get work. I not go submit document for government, say, I not get work. Or I not go school. They offer me school, I say I not go. Or they offer me work, I say I not work. I know they sick. You're dears. Call me. God go do one. Mona not call me again. Those of una way all day back home. Why not be forced? And see, so I dey find friend. I not see any good. Mona not they call me. May God go the door for now. Mona not they call me. Make God go the door. I don't know say that they cheat to now. Now all of us get money. If una no know. Therefore, suppose who will put this door? I don't like this light. Make go. Ah. That's yeah. Yes, this summer I don't like fly. It irritates me. There you go. Hey, my brothers and sisters, I'm on another version. I want show now one tea, but I not consider the tea again. And the problem where I get now, I can't be that one too. I want show now where they for the free people up. That make me tell now say if you not fight now still there. If you not fight, you now die. Now true. If you not go out and protest, they'll confuse. They'll confuse you. They'll confuse. Okay, continue. Okay, I'll do it, Mama. Wait. He did here and I did. Mama, where I don't know, I help quickly do this thing. I don't see this video. I don't know why. I will do something. I know the same. So my brothers and sisters, wait. I'll go find and come out. Maybe later I'll come show now the video. If you fight now, you will die. If you not fight, they'll frame you up. You na small pikin, you na old mama, you na young person, they'll frame you up. So they are America, that they protect her, pepe. You see her? You get one music where one of our pastor for me this morning. This morning I be yesterday. More than listening, now we be more than listening. I want to analyze this music more than the listening. Una wey be believe people, una list go send give una small sense. I know so now they watch me. Good morning, my people. What are the listening? Hold on now. Benin people now only Koka who said not the rest place. That one would take the fraud us. And I saw back cause Koka people now, so they not get they not come milk be. Na lie, all of una they suffer. The suffer one na even they suffer. It pass Koka o. One they drink human being peace before na enter Europe. Una they drink menstruation for that. That one not pass to say. My brothers and sisters, now only we go here they give Oba. Oba will still give us as a people. We not get. We they hungry. He will give us this music so in one nanny accent if I use Billy language they analyze that for too sweet. But those of una well they hear the language, me I use broke it do one. When I don't see this music, it can't get one Oba away come. The Oba come it can't eat Oba, that is it can't be Oba. We can't be Oba, it can't go in Mama village. You understand? When you reach Mama village, say, Mona, give me food, Mona, give me yam, Mona, give me everything because I be Oba. Now all those who are telling us, say, no, we they suffer for year, we they suffer for year. We not get any food, may you they go. Now Oba can look up, can look down, he can't boss cry. He can't bring one tea, come on. He said, for today, I curse una. Una, you said no finish for una body again. But me come this morning when me come ask myself, say this Obaso, you know, see say all the old Benin now say who say we day not be small, if not be abroad, now they tell now the truth. People they cook for inside kitchen before come out, another person will carry the pot. Now the truth, if not be abroad, more they tell ourselves the truth. We know what they talk about. This abroad, it kill many people. And it destroy, it still feast, it still help also. If not be abroad, they bomb me where I don't go those states. I there, they say, Oba, I will born you to talk to Oba. You want that? Now abroad, though, more they still they give this abroad thanks sometimes. So Oba can go the village. Like say, I can't give me food though. I dey hungry. Now those who are tell us say, I know we they suffer for year. We don't get food. Maybe they go. They say, well, Oba reach road now, the Oba come bus cry. Say, these people, now so suffer, now they suffer. But now, like I say, it costs. But all the old Benin city, they suffer. Not the truth. They suffer. A boy, we go, they travel from Libya, they call Abunatisi, I don't know that story. I know that story. We go, they drink medication. we go dey drink peace, woman peace, menstruation, make take survive. That one not pass the coca cassava. No get sense. Now the reason. So we with the reason, Oba go and work. Go make farm. If you make farm, you still give we the people food. Arewa. Oba, if you still give us food, we don't forbid to. We'll still collect her. And we say only we go, they give you like Oni of Ife. They sell everybody. Hey Jimmy, what not make we care? We all this fly for pack on. Eh? Why you care? Now you turn another year. So when I they open this door, I don't like fly. Yeah, my problem. So only people suffer. Only people when they suffer, yeah, they do farm. Yeah, they give Oba, they give. Oba still give us. You understand? They'll still give us. Now this music take the way they sell for me. So when I the list is money. Now it me. So all this Oni of Ife, even the whole land where the people still read for their forefather, they not get anything. Now only that land. Now they feed, they take the main farm. They'll still carry tape, they'll go sell them for their head. They'll go sell. They're not they produce, Oba not they produce anything. Governors, they're not they produce. They're innocent people where still they go farm, still produce food where they want shop. Don't still say I pay you up. Come on, get up. Don't kill him. I don't want to fly here. Idiot. So, my brothers and sisters, food where innocent people go still go farm, go still the farm by themselves. They'll say, greetings, my people. God bless you now. So, they'll still say, they cost them. I beg my brothers and sisters, I'm gonna fight to fight because this way that they use kingship till they fraud us. So me, I don't understand. Anybody we no one fight. Now if you say I they talk and say I hear they laugh, they talk and it they walk it they walk. Mona list you get one video when I do not quite long ago. The video they say now come for me, they say me I go delete am. Then I thought me I plan for now. It they walk always tell it also. They hear am. Oni of Ife they run up down because he's working. Oni of Ife is a criminal. Our mwe oji no oji. He they drag at those stage. Oni of Ife, you are a tenant. Your brother Oba is a tenant in Edo State. We get the book. He's a tenant. You have nothing to do with Edo State. To not just go there. Una don't take Lagos. But you don't see that Edo State. Now I go kill now. No see better war we want the start for there. The one we want happen for Edo State. Now I go worse past the rest people. Now they see. Before I play that video, you get one of our pa. You can't send me something. I not see him. I not quit see him. After I send me something, I not quit show the girl. Now listen to the audio.
Hello, Teme. Afambo Sagwero. Kojo. A video ni send Irena.
Now send this more. The listing.
Don't that way. Ihoneheme. Action eba. Ogun. Nasuruna, Ogun State.
He said now Ogun State for a apple.
So,
one big family. We'll win. More than enough. We'll win. These people, they are criminals.
Media broadcaster no concerning
one family. IPOB. Una do well. God will bless you now. God will bless you.
So,
when I wait, IPOB, I know wait. When I IPOB, we go fight first too. Because if we don't fight, this reader will not get our right. IPOB, I love una. One family, big family. See, IPOB, you don't tell whether they fraud also. These people, they have been frauding us using kinship. Oba swear for Ikoka, I swear. Oba of Mefa, if Oba give us who they forbid. My people, I agree to now IPOB. I love una. Mona, don't worry. We go fight. The rest, you see, if we not fight, we not get this freedom. I don't understand. Many things they don't know. Many things they when me they know now. When many people don't know. I don't feel know now. They bomb me. They say, oh, banner God. Don't be so we take grow. I don't know anything before. Now they see now. Mona listing. I want make the listing.
In that time, you platform now where a lion, tiger, hyena, wild animals, a motor near there. On the type of a thing of here before in the nearest future.
Okay. He said now if you have the man at the list, he said now what you want before now be this very soon.
One of the social media presenter platform one of those show a cockpile do a Kenyachi a cocoa edo. They van in here. Abi motor ibani. Me mami maro pa I know where you are cocoa edo.
Akoko Edo people. He said no Akoko Edo for not a girl. Now Fulani, na dey there. He said be like say na Hausa land na we dey.
He get me we no be pamonti ba di na ja abi na na wo. No e size of pia.
So they don't call block my face. He said they call they use wood to they practice fight. He said the fact where they wait for. If it happen, who want see head? Not they. Why it's your third don't you do?
That very place must be removed and erased. A black spot.
You see, huh?
They are black spot. Everywhere Dako, capital black. BLACK, black.
Hey!
Capital black. The absence of light. That is what they are. Absence of light.
Yes, okay.
They are evil.
Okay.
Darkness. So, who know what this child will become?
Okay.
Who know what this child will become in the nearest future? This one is just oh God, I don't know the adjective which I will use to qualify the barbaric act. Oh, Salompa Negi Baby National die, or we may. There might become a man where I should follow the due law course. Or even I should die, one of my relatives. They want stupid police or soldier or even the useless judges near me to come and tell me where I should follow the due law course.
God bless Biafra. Oh.
I don't. If I even were feeling me now, I don't know.
Biafra don't wake me.
I don't know.
I swear.
I don't know how you will feel this thing to yourself. I am imagining if this one were to be my own child, then somebody will not tell me to fold my hand. Where I make it any, I will get there. The first in the Niaka one
Thank you.
the upper palace must
God
be
bless you,
raised
sir.
down. Before I will start receiving the notice. I don't mind where they will kill me, but before I go down, scores will be counted.
Okay. He said, Baba, our people don't wait. They vex, so our people are angry. When I not vex, when I wait not they hear the language. Those ones, because of those ones where I play, may they go they cut their teeth. We know what we they do. Me I dey here, and I don't they delete any video, you know. Only of Ife. He say may I delete the video when I do more than see the video. When I listing, I'll forward down. It looks more about forward down. He said, "May I delete the video?" I want for forward down. Wait. They told me I delete this video. They told me I delete that over people.
And as we begin to put up great men and kings, you know, when you have kings, it means you have kingdoms that you have been able to create.
They told me I delete the video.
Remember when we started? That Ikodomigodo was our name because we were kingdom at that time.
They told me I delete the video. You never finish.
My people, my brothers and sisters, good evening. No, I don't tire. I don't the work things, you know. I just tire.
Now, only of Ife, he said, "May I delete the video when I do?"
Some, you know. Only of Ife say,
Good morning, my brother.
only of Ife is a criminal.
Oh, she no thief.
They are killing our people with courtesy. With troops, they'll carry troops go the east. They'll say, shoot aside. Anybody you see, shoot aside. Nothing they happen, shoot her. Oh, Ni of Ife. We'll continue. Oh, Ni, what
Mercy. Wait, now you are here. So, the reason that they want me to delete it, they didn't tell me the reason, but for me, what I think and what coming to my mind, this thing, it carry many things. This video, it carry many thoughts and many reasons. You know, number one, Ooni of Ife is a criminal. Number two, you know that Obaseki, the Edo State governor, is destroying the land now. The land, you know, the all these people that collect people's land or government land, they'll go and build their stores, build everything. It's destroying it down now. It's inside this video. And number three, there is a story that somebody told me long time ago. That is Attorney Nauro that sold the indigenous people of the land in that area, all those Urobo, Delta, all of them. You know, the tea is now coming up now. After when Fulani said, go and take 5 states, you know, they come back. Every reason is inside this video. Because yesterday, they are sending it, you have to delete it, I said, let me listen to the video, because if I do video, I know they list again because I have no time, because I have a lot of people I'm following also on social media. I have to listen to their own. I only look the video. I can't say, you get one story when I talk concerning what happened in 1953. It's inside this video. That is why they asked me to go and remove it. So, but anyway, they can delete it, or Facebook can delete it. We have already saved it. For your information, our brothers, I don't give my 2 brothers, they don't save her. And they don't go put her for YouTube. You cannot delete. Go and delete it on Facebook. And it's here. We have it. We are going to keep it. The video carry many things. I also said that if you go to Edo State today, our youth, they don't want to work. They don't want to make farm. They want easy money. That they are carrying tape around. John Osage, estate seller. Oni of Ife, estate seller. Sakonogodi estate seller. Apostle Afre estate seller. Abatobaze estate seller. All of them. Even Okbaika estate seller. All of them estate seller. You see, even women now, they are now adopting to selling land. It's now seller that is working now. The land we're supposed to use to be making farm for the food that we'll be eating, they are selling it. So it's inside this video. That make that they send me message, Oja, that they repeat me, go and delay. Not this, only this one. Even 4 days ago, there was a video I did when TV Joshua said Nigeria cannot break. Me, I just do that video. I put drink for ground, say TV Joshua must die. They are now sending me back. Go and repair. Oh, Aza. Una be thief. All of una die. Una think say will stop. Until we will go there. We, IPOB, we are born to do this. If you be IPOB, do your part. If you no want show your face, they record audio. Send out, share out for all these our people with their back home because they cheat them. They are criminal. they cheat our people and they frame them up. You see our mother that they cash in Imo. They not frame them up that they are selling babies. It's a lie. Even a graduate that is supposed to be a graduate, they come wear a soldier uniform. They say, na soldier, is the key, na kidnapper. They will frame you up. What can you argue it? No, you are there. They will frame you up. You see our mother, 68 years old. They say na baby seller. Na lie. True people, when they do baby seller, they cannot catch them. My brothers and sisters, they will not catch them. I'm telling you the truth. So therefore, we are getting there. We are getting there. These people, this video, they said I should go and delete. So it carry many things. It's too long. I will still go. I will post. It's on YouTube. It's our YouTube. Go to YouTube and watch it. Is Festus put out for YouTube yesterday. Is my YouTube name is Sophia CTV. Go there and watch. We put out there because if you say more, call the repeater, it will take all the whole day for us. So we don't have that time. You see, Oni of Ife is a criminal. You know the high Oni of Ife they look us people like us na terrorists. Na they try they tell na I know they sugar coat as our sister talker. Is terrorist high o. They look me, Mazuna di Kano, or the OIPOB, na terrorist high na the truth. So, Oni of Ife, na be terrorist, na be criminal, na be killer. Na they kill our people. They set them up. It happen for those states now. Land, people land, heritage. With they hear it. Don't just come. If you not get so paper, is this land is not for you. Don't sell them for 10 people, 20 people. All those who go they kill themselves. You see, they are the terrorists that they frame us up because we be see, when I'm done with Oni of Ife, you know, in our area, all those Delta, those Edo, all those East, South, when we are done with them, we'll go and pick one villager, come out, we go call the represent us. So far, it's ability that you can express yourself in the public. Now, so we'll take do all this elite. We are going to drive them away. They are our problem. We are not saying it to like us, or we are not saying it to... No, we are going to give our people that power. Yes. Those people that you think that they are nobody in the society, is those people that will be using to go and represent us now. We are going to change it. Now, small, we they come. This Oni of Ife, these idiots, these criminals. They want us to come and be do it sa. Oni of Ife is running up and down. Proscribe. He brought that way that they call what did they call him? That useless boy for China TV. Proscribe. Sheu Shegari na Sheu de call na me the Shegari Jonah all of them are the same. Sheu Shegari. That boy. All the time proscribe. You know, they are proscribe. You know, the proscribe. We are going to kill you people. We are going to proscribe you people. When we are done with Nigeria, when we are mass Buhari, Channel TV will not never. Nobody go there, go watch them because all of them are liar. Ojiyahin, they be thief. Nobody. See, This Oni of Ife now, they send me the video. May I go remove
When
it?
I dey list at the call, let go bring that charger.
Nah, bigger.
Oni of Ife.
Which one?
We're here
Mm-hmm.
talking.
Okay.
The organizer,
Mm-hmm.
honorable speaker spoke first.
Mm-hmm.
Welcomed all of us.
Mm-hmm.
Followed by the Senate President.
Mm-hmm.
We all know their positions in this country.
Okay.
Senate President is, by virtue of
Mm-hmm.
counting this country, is the number 3 man
Mm-hmm.
in this country.
Mm-hmm.
Speaker 2, number 4 man.
They like big name. Useless people.
Eminence spoke as well.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
And you can see the trajectory of everything that we are saying.
Mm-hmm.
Oni of Ife is not.
And if you look at this ball,
Mm-hmm.
the average
Mm-hmm.
age of each and every one of us here is between the bracket of 50 and about 60.
Mm-hmm.
Brothers
Good morning,
and sisters,
brother.
if I tell na so Oni na criminal, people say I don't get respect.
Mm-hmm. Oni na thief,
We are
Yoji.
going to analyze this video. You will not stay too long. So my brothers and sisters, where is Yoju? My brothers and sisters, let us quickly play ahead because
Nah,
it's
go
an
carry on.
national anthem now. So that's
Okay, now
I
I did.
those of you that speak big English, come and listen.
Mm-hmm.
Come and listen.
Mm-hmm.
Come.
There's
and
many things there the video. It's there YouTube. More
Come
go
and
look
listen.
at here.
Big
Then you will
English
put her for
people, first of-
YouTube.
This one is my national anthem plus Agbeo, but this one is very good for my national anthem.
Mm-hmm.
Mona, wait. You talk, Baba. Talk, sir. The SLSC. What go on?
Mm-hmm.
Go on. Let me transfer it to the other phone. I don't know what the worry this phone.
You know the 4 billion, $400 billion, I be pound. Where our leader talk. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
Because you are a Nigerian,
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
Nigerians are not sincere.
Yeah, I know.
Go on.
As I didn't get you before.
Mm-hmm.
He's a Nigerian. He's telling you that they are
Now because of this one, oh, it's still there. Mm-hmm.
sincere.
Mm-hmm.
I want to know what is insincerity.
Uh-huh.
Give it to you the way it is.
Mm-hmm.
Because the soul is perfectly
Evil.
Only of the pen number one.
Mm-hmm. 100 billion. Okay. See? Mm-hmm.
SLSC.
Billion. Dollar. Una see why they say me I go the later. Not true we talk now. Mm-hmm. 100
Mona, they look me very well.
baboon. Billion.
Wait, sir. SLSC.
400 billion. Our people are angry.
I want to analyze
Only only of Ife. Now you want run around. Now make them say me I go delay the video.
Because it's very important. That is why I came out this afternoon. You see, these people have been using us. They have been criminals us. They have been thieving us. But they know they talk. Now. Or no government. Just more than no rest. So no, if you not rest, they are coming back for you. Nigeria must break. Our break, it must be destroyed.
You see why?
Listen. When are they listening? Oh, no, people. I want to analyze that. I want to listen. Please share the video, please. Let our people. Why now? Why the thing not doing? Why?
It there YouTube. They say I should go and remove it. You know, the thing carry many things. I know if you play again, cause no time. Even if that day, Mona Jogo look at Mona con reason say these people they are criminal. They'll still kill you. Or no government. If you stop, they will kill. If you don't stop, You die or you dey alive. Yes, that the fear pass. That's the truth. Don't still kill you. Only of Ife. They run up and down. He was in he and fake Buhari. They were in Nijoland yesterday. They have done their meeting. Is judges say we they beg them? No. My brothers and sisters, most especially we come from Edo State. We ain't begging anybody. We not they receive anything. No. We know they beg anybody, but we are going to take it by force. We are going to press the button. Yes. Our people are very ready. They are very ready. Now to start it. That be the problem. Because I don't shout. I don't quarrel with them. They are very ready. They said they are ready. 24/7, they are ready. They are waiting. But how to start it now is the problem. So now that point will they go? We are waiting one make and boss. They don't tire. People are tired. My brothers and sisters, most especially the robos, the Edo, una no they enjoy anything. I tell now. They don't give una money. Don't they give una anything? It's just that they pay their salary. Not true. Not see all those data. If you be Agbo, you call the fight Biafra. Say you not be Biafra. You na mumu. You na idiot. Or you na robo. You na idiot now. Or you now you call for Edo State, call the fight Biafra, or do the one with the fight for free. You now also now. They have every right to say, so they want be. We ain't begging anybody, We said we not they beg nobody. Answer your papa name. Everybody na leader. Nobody you beg. No. That mean na freedom. Ijo people. Those of the way they traditional rulers, way only of Ife they visit, plus their children, they are now oppressing the real job people. We bet if we said we'll fight for our own, then we'll go free those ones. We'll kill all the traditional ruler. If na Ife we want drive the go, they'll go that side. So we'll not they beg anybody, but we'll fight free first. So we the robots and the Edos, we have to be, and the Agbos, all of us they suffer equal. All of us. We have to focus. This freedom, we must fight it once and for all. We must fight it once and for all. I must be now. No, I don't get to. I don't do corona test. I don't get. Now, so they do me every summer. More than not first. So, my brothers and sisters, we will not quiet. These people have been using us. Yes, they have been using us. Only of Ife is running up and dying and fake Buhari. Ooh, my brothers and sisters, now want to unmask this Buhari now. Now only that one we need. We need only that. Just unmask Buhari and let the rest, leave the rest for God. Let God handle the rest. Since they don't want to tell us that Buhari is dead, let us do it by ourselves. Now that one with the plans. So now, how can we unmask Buhari? So we not did the one way they did. You know, yesterday, they went to Ijoland. Is it not yesterday? They went to go and do meeting and Austin. Nancy, good morning, sir. God bless you, sir. So you know, they went to Ijoland. Good morning, sir. They went to go and fake Buhari went to Ijoland and do some meeting with all those criminals, traditional ruler, Oni of Ife, they run up and down that criminal. That guy, Yoruba people, the good all those kogi, do not cut in neck, na problem. Na problem. All these set of people, they don't allow you to work and get your money. They also go to Ikoka, say, now here my mama for come, Mona can't give us food. All those one tell they say, we they suffer. They say they swear for them. Who they not swear for that Benin City? Who they not swear for? Who they happy? Who is happy? Come and tell me who they happy. Now package all of una day, we know everywhere. Who they don't swear for that Benin City? Who they happy? You will pass Libya, come with dream administration. Now you better pass Ikoka people. Ikoka people that they make fun. Come here, come they make noise. Hey, I swear, they swear for Ikoka. They swear for Ikoka. My brothers and sisters, if I get money, small money, that's what I'll remain. What it go just happen be say, I will come day, you know, I come package more. Finish. You must remain you are not see Genevieve. As you get money rich, he full everywhere. Not be Genevieve, be Genevieve. Forget it. Which one will not do? It cannot they suffer. Now Benin people they suffer by themselves. All those Benin, all those people who say they be Oba people. Now they suffer. Why you see say they are belly big like that? Because they oppress us. We will be common people. We will be average people. They oppress us to collect our money. Then they live their life. So my brothers and sisters, nobody curse anybody. Not be any God, only God. Now go fit punish land, not be human being. Say this one cause this man Allah. All the old beneath they suffer. Forget. All the old beneath they suffer. Now I don't know so now they suffer. My answer brother, I'll chat you later. My answer brother. You see, our brothers that they wait. They don't even they want go ask. May I show you now something? Not did you want not do. When I see our brothers, they are waiting. They are waiting. See fair boys. For the Western world, for Libya, everywhere food here. See, they wait. See our brother. They are waiting. All this why don't kill or killable. I don't know anything. I want to play the audio. I want to play audio. Wait. I want to play our brother audio. When I tell you say that they wait. they not send anybody message. Yes. Wait. Now see the audio way our brother play. Now it be this. He say na Biafra. May I lie down. Wait, see our fine bobo. They don't tire.
This is like dog.
Oh, we don't see that they wait. Although as you quiet, so I know say if you come and I bomb. I know they wait. I know they disturb you, no issue. But I bomb. I deal with him. They don't use us. These people, they say we'll forgive them. No, they kill us. Our papa for sleep. Nice that music. Only a FIFA who don't. Our brothers they don't wake up.
Yeah, this is not me. I wake up one morning and I ask myself this question. We so free when everybody die every day. I realize we be one people.
Oh.
I started with that. People that start all over the world.
Oh, we get children. Oh, Abba, may I play? I never finish. I walk me. Oh my nose. Biafra. Okay.
Yeah, this is not me. I wake up one morning and I ask myself this question. Where are we from? Who we be? Why are we so free when people die every day? Then I realize we be one people. Information see the land of the good. I started with that. People that start all over the world. All over the world. If you don't see a woman for any place, make you back run and just get down because we're going to go up for that place, make you realize that you be Biafra, don't be Nigeria. I don't be a Biafra, from Igoro, we be Biafra, not be Nigeria. If you not be Biafra, a calamity, you go see. What are they blocking from me? Do you they make me to prosper? In 21st century, them killing my people for all for Oguta, from illicit. The land of Migodo. And they change our name, our ancestors. They done everything that they want to use us to play. They send our people for slave trade. They call it I say, people come and invade us. Well, I'm saying, I lied it on this people. Then they use it for sacrifice. But if you talk, you go die. If you don't talk, you go die. What are we living for? Nobody go live forever.
Nobody.
I say, hi, Biafra.
Oh, that music.
If you don't be Biafra, tell me. Now what you will be? We don't be Nigeria. We don't be Nigeria. We don't be Nigeria. Oh yeah. See, I gotta go to my ruler. See, if you don't be my kind, you don't do one thing. You know the people who don't make the door of size. I'm a Biafra. I'm gonna go fetish. I can't go in Nigeria. Because when we say that they kill people every day, government are still the roots, and the people run the state, people pass through Sahara, pass through Mediterranean, they will say, you go better every day, but they must not see back, what see back go do, they go talk for Nigeria, make me pray, to Lua, Baba Chukwuki, Kamiama, he go happy. In 21st century, people are working and they pray every day. We are Biafra, oh hey, Biafra.
Now we be Baba. At the pity for that benicity. Our people are waking up. At the pity for them. All this one, they don't get joy. You know, yeah. Nobody will live forever. I'll go tell her me, cigar where me bring her for me. I tell you do money service. At the pity for that state. These people, they don't have joy. Anybody that drink medication for Morocco to Spain or Libya to Italy, come here. What call they prove us right? Igbo not good. Igbo, like say na Igbo with the faithful. Igbo are fighting for their own. You fight for your own. Yoruba they fight for you. Igbo not good. Igbo not good. Igbo. I don't know whether they marry Igbo get we fake kid there for. I don't understand. If you get anything to do with Igbo, go and solve your problem. For me, we be Biafra. Biafra or dead, you know, yeah. See, nobody will live forever. Now the truth too. All those who they call the Jews, they fraud us. You die tomorrow. You die next tomorrow. Wow. Now then they fear die. Now they fear pass. Now they tell first us yesterday. People where they read Bible, oh my God. Now they fear pass, my people. People where they read Bible. Then they fear. I get there for family. Then they fear. Now the truth too. People where they read Bible, where religious. Now they fear pass. If anything pass them, don't fear. They don't get mad. So I don't say Mona not read Bible. Mona read Bible. But no use Bible to call they put our people in bondage. Say now so God say me we do and the Bible now God will say me we do. We know they see. A man cannot do what God cannot do what a man supposed to do for himself. It's inside that Bible. If you just call the Zoom now, if anybody call you for the Zoom, now make cancel tell yourself. So people they call me for Zoom, I know the answer. Because you know why? If you they talk to them, if they ask you something, you still they talk to them. You must do this, you must. God go do it, God go do it. So your day house, God will come give you. God will come cook for you if you they hungry. He will come give you food. Or you know go work, God will come pay your bill. So my brothers and sisters, we are saying the truth. You have to do what you can do for yourself. Don't wait. God go do it. God go do it. For example, now I don't pay my bill. I don't get the money. There is a place I have to go and complain. They will pay it for me. I don't go complain. Make those people pay the bill. The bill because they escalate. A 6 months you don't pay bill. And if you don't pay bill for 1 month, the double one, it go be 2 months. The double one to 2 months salary. So give them, say, ah, the bill, you not pay am, you not get money, you keep am for inside your cupboard. God go come help you, God go come pay am. Ah, my brothers and sisters, una dey tell yourself the truth. Una not dey use una own life till they confuse other people life. It's not fair. It's the truth. It's not the fair. When how they use people life till they rule now. All these pastors, though, can they put BB cap, BB shirt for our people body? Though, can they make them wear big cap? They'll say they go pastoral school. Pastoral school, they know they get anything. Pastoral school not be work. People know they give them money, no they give them work. Eh? They come make them wear big thing, go pastoral school and go this. Where you cannot manufacture something, where you cannot do. That is not made they fight our leader. Many, you see, say that they hate our leader, that they fight out to Tane. Telling you the truth, you hate it from nothing. But you know waiting. If you they talk for the truth, always stand on your truth, because all those people, they'll go sit down, they'll think and one day they'll come back. They'll say, ah, this woman, now the truth is they talk, oh. But always, they say truth, always be consistent on your life. Those people, they know that the truth you are saying, they'll come back to you. That they happen so for our leader. That they happen. When I say TV Joshua just die for nothing. TV Joshua knows say now the canoe they talk true. Now plantation killer na me killer. I don't dare with that. I am dead there now. I'm not the one that killed me. Eh? Now plantation killer, you know say una the canoe say the truth. Now plantation killer he go meet he go heaven now with the come. Make you go heaven. Go heaven. Go heaven. Go heaven. If you they talk, God go do one. God go do one. For where? Where God want for do one? So now abroad now God now they dig their river, they do electric. Not be human being they go there. Eh? If I dey go work now, I'll get where I'll pass. Both women men that they work for street. Eh? That they use their hand, they dig ground, they walk, they there. Gravel, they use their hand, they use machine, they woman they God tell me say now God now they do one. For where? Thief kill their head. Every small thing, God go do one, God go do one, God go do one. They go carry shine and come. The small work, una no still get work oh. Small road work, una still get where go still bit of Union of Ife, although who they are wicked. See, my brothers and sisters, Nigeria is finished. It will not work. I will tell now. Una way they feel say Nigeria go work. Our men not there again. Just as our brother from China that day, he said their med don't come out. Even one for Dubai. Med, you see, where your med not there, no work. Even though it cut your head, take do something for that place, you know work. So make they all cut that country, make everybody find your own level. The country is not good for anybody. It's a carbon dioxide, it's a zoom, it's worse than corona. Our med is not there anymore. The small job wait when I see girl go carry China come the way from China. Can't give them the money where they're supposed to give una. They can't give them. Una they there suffer. Tomorrow now go thief. They can't put tire for una neck. Those fake people with there our miss. Like all this word that civilian so. Couple tire for na neck. Kina, hey Bona, he's happy 20th June. Hey, kill him, native. Onyoshi, kill him. He's happy, you know where it in my people, una change, the truth I return now. Una change. Enough is enough. For the Zoom, you don't finish because our men not dead yet. We cannot live in that country anymore. It's dead and gone. We cannot, because our men not dead. Any Yoruba man, when they do kurukere, they run around for inside south. May I tell now one thing, we na crown na Delta and Edo we one. Ibibio, the river, Akwa Ibom, Calabar, all of them na one. Izo na one and Igbo na one. We were 4 crown. We never see anything. Now this is now our leader they talking. No, we are straighten up for them. We know how to straighten up. We are one people. We are crown. We are going to straighten it. It's the people that decide, not us. When the people decide, we do also take the opinion from them. Yes, we'll take their opinion, we go and take it, we come and use it to. We are crown. We are crown to crown. Delta Edo 1. Ibibio 1. Izo 1. Igbo 1. Nobody is dominating anybody. So we are free already. We don't free. This one way Buhari does the run up and down. Only of if they run for now. We not dead one on a day. We don't want king. We don't want. I swear. I say when Biafra come. Not see that our area. That's our clan. Do clan. We'll go pick people for village. So far they go small school. We'll go pick them. Now they go they talk for us. Not be only of Ife. Or those criminals wey dey eyes on no, we not respect those one that time. Now so I brought fair view. Now person change am. Not be God come for us to come change am no. Now person. We don't. I will fix am. Not only our mazi, because he dey try for us. The people decide. We are one people. Igbo clan, Idu clan, Ibibio clan, Izo clan. Finish. All those people they run around. Mona not fear. Biafra don't come. Mona not fear. All those Yoruba people where they go meet Buhari, Buhari here, Buhari, fake Buhari, oh. Now make me say, my people, I beg, if you now mass Buhari, we know fight war. Do you know what it is to fraud you for 5 years? Not be one person fraud everybody. You don't know, so a boy, they feel key for fraud. You don't know, no. You know, because you can take that person life. I don't know how many life don't die for this room. Where Buhari take that. Buhari is dead. The way to now focus on now, muna help us, muna come together, muna on mass Buhari. Now only that one they ask now, on mass camp, I know, on mass Buhari, may everybody more free, more get peace. You understand, my people? God will bless all of us. So that 2 video where they fell, I don't know whether they call the nobody be they touch my phone, whether the thing they vanish, I don't know. I can't still analyze that for now. Now made me come out this morning. You fight now, you not fight you. You are a graduate too. They'll frame you up one day, they'll kill you. You be nobody. Now the truth. You not be only of Ife Pikin. You not be Oba Pikin. You not be Governor Omai Pikin. You not be anybody Pikin. They don't know you. So if they catch you one day, they'll frame you up. It's better we fight now. We fight. What are we fighting for? What will they fight for as a freedom? Equal right and justice. You fit talk, I fit talk. The right way you get, now I get. Nobody big person, nobody superior part. Now we they fight for. Now no. Live your life. Let me live now. Now we they fight for. So that if you not talk now, you now you not be only of Ife Pikin, not be Oba Pikin, not be Obi of Olisha Pikin. You not be governor Pikin, not be president. You see, they don't know you, not be senator Pikin. They don't know you. One day they'll carry you, come out, put you for road, put tire for your neck. Now the truth too. So what we are doing, we are fighting for the people down there because those ones they cannot talk. I was talking to some boys yesterday, I be there before yesterday. They say, mama, hey, wait till you they talk. So if you did this place, you know if you talk how. Just they talk say like na day, yeah, you did. I tell them say yes. I'm talking for you. Oh. You don't understand. I know say if I did here, fear I want die. You know, let me talk. But I said day here, so and by the grace of God there is internet. I'm telling you through this internet so that you can reason and gather your brothers and your friends, gather them together. How we can free by when we all of us bring ourselves low to the same level. We cannot free by when me say I be mama I get heaven ahead to no, we can't free like that. Now money and wealth, now these people say they deal with us. We'll use one mind, bring ourselves down to level number 100. Use and deal with them also. Yes. Now so I tell them. So our brothers from Esaland, you people, you don't ready, and I salute you now. Esaoyoji. If you do what talk there, boy, now they try, they soon I bet. Mona not come hard very late too. Mona doing very fast now as it hot now. I get one of our brother. I maybe me there. He said as e dey hot. Mona do as e dey hot now. So Mona do as everything dey hot. Mona no keep quiet. I know so una say fear no dey let una do meeting. If una just gather or just call, good. Mona not do meeting, but Mona dey talk to una sef. Communication is very, very, very important. It's very matter. If I know they come out now, how na take know wetin dey happen? How na take know my mind? How na take know wetin I want tell una? No, na because of una dey come out. Those of una wey dey back home, not be the ones wey dey abroad. Many people dey do video, but those of una wey dey back home, because of una now they come out. I bring myself to 0 number 100. I not be leader, I not be anything. I want you guys to also do the same, so that we'll come together and deal with all this idiot, all this only of all this criminal. God will bless everybody, my brothers and sisters. Buhari is dead, he's gone. Mona not fear, you now win. Mona get up. Una plan and to unmask that idiot. Me Adeboye come tell me say he no know. Say na fake Buhari. God will bless everybody. Now bye bye. Thank you, my people. God will bless una. Mazi, God will bless una. God will bless my Mazi. Now the canon. He must succeed. He must win. We are there for him. Nothing they happen. Biafra land, we are for crown. As we talk and as we be. Now the people will say they are own mind also. Because we are fighting for them. So God bless all of you. Now bye bye. Now bye bye.